Hello, my YouTube besties. This is an update 3 hours later, guys. And this is how it's looking in New York City. We are in Times Square, guys. Here we have about 2 inches, guys, about 2 inches to 3 so far on the ground. And it is looking beautiful, guys. Beautiful Blizzard 2026. And we are in Times Square. And I'm on 7th Avenue. Beautiful, guys. So gorgeous. We got canes here. Beautiful, guys. New York City is covered in snow. Transportation is running, guys. This is an update of Blizzard 2026 in New York City. We got about 3 to 4 inches in the ground. On the ground, and this is how New York City is looking right now at the moment. It is beautiful, and it is not that cold, guys. It is not that cold, but this is the status right now. This is an update. I told you I'm going to be doing some short videos from New York City, and it's just a beautiful scene, guys. Beautiful. The visibility is very limited, so you ain't gonna see that good, but yeah, the snow, it is definitely coming down. Definitely, we are getting slammed. We got the Hard Rock Cafe right there, and we are in the middle of Times Square. 3 inches, guys, 3 inches so far. We are expecting 24 inches here in New York. Don't know how true is that, but all I know is this is an update 2 or 3 hours later from my first short, and this is the status here, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing, and all the YouTube thing, guys. Get me to 50 subscribers so I can go live, guys. So I can go live. This is in real time. It is 7:31 p.m. Eastern time here in New York. And it is coming down. The snow is coming down a lot, guys. It's a beautiful scene. Beautiful pictures, guys. Look at it here. Woo, look at the taxi, guys. Look at it. You can make a snowboard, guys. Look at New York City is looking beautiful, covered with snow. About 3 to 4 inches. I will be in Queens, guys. I'm leaving the city. And thank you so much, guys. I see you in the next live update. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share. Bye-bye.